Ginger oil can be beneficial for relieving joint pain due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Here's how you can use ginger oil for joint pain. Choose a high-quality ginger essential oil. Look for a pure and organic ginger essential oil from a reputable brand. Ensure that it is specifically labeled for topical use. Dilute the ginger oil. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so it's important to dilute them before applying to the skin. Mix a few drops of ginger essential oil with a carrier oil such as coconut oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil. A general guideline is to use 2-3 drops of ginger oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. Perform a patch test. Before applying the ginger oil mixture to larger areas, do a patch test to check for any allergic reactions or skin sensitivity. Apply a small amount of the diluted oil to a small area of your skin, like the inside of your forearm. Wait for 24 hours and observe for any redness, itching, or irritation. If there's no adverse reaction, it's likely safe for you to use. Apply the ginger oil mixture. Once you have determined that your skin tolerates the diluted ginger oil, you can proceed to apply it to your joints. Gently massage the oil mixture into the affected area using circular motions. Apply enough pressure to ensure the oil is absorbed, but avoid excessive force. Use regularly. To experience the benefits of ginger oil for joint pain, it's important to use it consistently. You can apply the oil mixture 2-3 times a day or as needed for relief. Gradually increase or decrease the frequency based on your personal response. Monitor for any adverse effects. While ginger oil is generally considered safe, it's essential to be aware of any adverse effects. If you experience any skin irritation, redness, or discomfort, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. It's important to note that ginger oil is not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have chronic or severe joint pain, it's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.